Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I want to talk about ChatGPT's new voice assistant feature. So we all know that voice assistants has been a thing for years now, where you talk about Alexa, you talk about Google Assistant, you talk about Siri. All of these platforms already exist today, and they've existed for a while now. But when I say that, ChatGPT's voice assistant is a game changer, just like their previous assistant, which was where you input text and you get responses in text. It's kind of the same thing. I'll tell you more about this in a moment, and we'll also use it to see how it actually works exactly. But this is a game changer. This is way different than, if I say voice assistant, you think about Alexa or Google Assistant, etc. It's not that. It's very, very different. The reason why I say this is because when you give it a command and when it responds, the voice on the other side does not sound like a robot. It sounds like there's a human sitting on the other side. It sounds very, very realistic. So that's one good thing about this. Two, you can, continuously talk to it, and it would never say, hey, I don't know this. I'm not sure about this. Very rarely it would say that. Whereas if you talk about Google's Assistant or Siri, etc., they would all at some point with some of the questions, they might say, hey, we're not sure about this. What do you mean by that? ChatGPT is different. We already know how good ChatGPT is. It's a game changer. It's revolutionary, already changed the game. But voice assistant, even better. So you can, talk to it, give it a command, it responds to your command, and everything that you talk about, all of that transcript is available within ChatGPT. You can later on go ahead and access that transcript. For example, if you want to ask it to write something for you, maybe write a letter, an email, a graph, an essay, anything, you can ask it to do so, just like you would speak to a human being and give it commands, right? And you can also tell it, hey, I want this in this mood. I want this to sound funny. I want this to sound professional. I want to keep it precise. I don't want it to be too lengthy, less number of words. You can do all of that. And I have noticed personally, I'm not sure about you guys, but when I am giving commands and if I'm typing, my brain functions differently. Whereas when I'm talking about it, my brain functions differently and way better, because we are more used to speaking than typing in real life as well. So enough talking, let's now go to my phone screen. Let me open it up and show you how it actually works and how good ChatGPT's voice assistant is. So now I am on my phone screen, as you guys can see. Let's open up ChatGPT first. So when I open up ChatGPT, let me go ahead and go into a new message. This is the main interface that I get on my phone. I have a couple of audio options here. If I tap here, I can just speak and it's going to translate all of that into text, and then it's going to type that text here on the screen. You'll see in a moment when I click the pause button. See? So it translates everything and makes your voice command into a text command. We don't want to do this. We want to go to this other option, this headphone sign that you see. I'm going to tap on this, and now it's waiting. Let's just wait for it. It's connecting right now. Once it is connected, I can just speak to it. How are you doing today?
I'm an AI, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to help you. How can I assist you today?
Can you tell me why is Google better than ChatGPT? Do you know?
Google and ChatGPT serve different purposes. Google is a search engine that helps find information across the internet, while ChatGPT, like me, is an AI designed for conversation and providing information or assistance based on what you ask. Both have their own strengths and purposes, so it depends on what you need at the moment.
I'm not feeling too happy today. Can you suggest me something? Because, I just feel so down. It's not a good day today for me.
I'm sorry to hear that you're feeling down. Sometimes doing something you enjoy, like listening to music, taking a walk, or talking to a friend, can help improve your mood. Is there something specific you like to do that might help lift your spirits a bit?
No, it's just too cold in my room right now. What do you suggest?
You can try bundling up in warm clothes or blankets to stay cozy. Also, if you have a heater, turning it on might help to make the room warmer.
Okay, thank you. Lastly, can you help me write an Instagram caption? The picture that I want to write this caption on, it was taken in the morning before the sunrise, and it is taken in the green nature. And I want to make the caption very short and precise, but very, very impactful. Can you help me write one?
Embracing nature's silent symphony, captured before dawn's canvas awakens.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Now, I'm going to go back and you would see all of the transcript, everything that I talked about with ChatGPT just now. You see all of that here. So everything is within here, and if I want to copy anything, let's say I asked it to write me an Instagram caption on a photo that I took in the morning. I explained what this photo is, when was this taken exactly, what is this photo looking like, and it wrote me a caption. Let's find that caption. See, this is the caption that it wrote. Embracing nature's silent symphony, captured before dawn's canvas awakens. I think this is beautiful, let's say, to be very honest. If I want to copy this, I would tap and hold on this, and I would tap select text. After this, I would double tap and select this text from here. I can copy from here, and then I can simply go to my Instagram and paste this as caption, and I might get a lot of views. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I might be making a different separate video where I would be using ChatGPT commands, and I'll see what is possible using ChatGPT's voice assistant now. But one thing is for sure, that this is already changing the game for a lot of the big names, including Google, to be very honest. I think in order to live up to that game, these other companies would now have to step up, and chase ChatGPT, which is phenomenal for something that just recently started. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Use this ChatGPT's voice feature yourself. Let me know, what do you think about it? Do you think this is useful? What are your overall views about it? I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.